So let's look at PVA, or position velocity acceleration, when an object is moving in a straight line. This is the number line, and there's a particle at position X. So it could be positive or negative, right? Position could be any of these places, and this particle is moving with time t. So your independent variable is t and dependent variable is position. So when you plot a graph, and this is X is a function of t. You could also write X as a function of t. So this is a position time graph, and the velocity here is defined as the instantaneous rate of change of X. So which would mean it's the derivative with time, d over dt of X or dx over dt, also written as X dot. And acceleration is the instantaneous rate of change of velocity. So dv over dt, same as d over dt of v, like derivative of v. And v is dx over dt, so d over dt of dx over dt. So that is the second derivative, written like that, also written as that. When we are dealing with velocity, this could be positive or negative. And all of these, positive means going to the right and negative means going to the left. And acceleration, positive means increasing velocity, negative means decreasing velocity, right? And there's also the concept of speed, which is the absolute value of velocity. So you could be moving very fast to the left, in which case v will be negative, but speed will always be positive. You have to take its absolute value. So if you have to see if the particle is speeding up, means speed increasing, or slowing down, how can you check that? How will you know if the particle is speeding up? So what happens if the velocity is this way and acceleration is also that way? This is speeding up. And if it is going this way, velocity is this way, and acceleration is also negative, then is it speeding up or slowing down? Let's say this is speed is negative 10. And if acceleration is negative 2, then after some time, what will the velocity look like? Negative 11 or negative 9? Will it become more negative or less negative? More negative. So if it goes from negative 10 to negative 11, did it speed up or slow down? It is speeding up. It is just speeding up to the left. What happens if they are in the opposite directions? If it's moving that way and acceleration is this way. Acceleration is pushing it or pulling it in the opposite of the velocity, right? So it is slowing down, and it's going this way and acceleration is that way. Also slowing down, because acceleration is trying to change the velocity in the direction opposite to the motion. So these two cases are speeding up. That means v and a, velocity and acceleration, have same sign, and slowing down when they have opposite signs. If acceleration is pulling you in the direction of your motion, then you'll speed up. And if it is pulling you or pushing you opposite to your motion, motion means velocity, then you're slowing down. These are the key ideas that you use for the PVA problems.